Hello everyone. Today we will see an overview over the United States of America, that what it is today and it same before 200-300 years ago. If not, then what was at that time? In today's world, it seems to be very unusual when we say that the United States of America, which is superpower today, at the time of 17th century, it was a slum area. Yes, you heard it right. The United States of America is a slum area in 17th century. It was a slum of 13 colony. Then how a slum of 13 colony developed itself as an economic power and then military power and then superpower in today's world. So the story begins with the time of 17th century. America was a slum area of 13 colony, and in 18th century, on the year 1787, this group of colony declares itself as a nation, but it was under the British control. At that time, British power is ruling the world, and a phrase which was very famous at the time, that the sun never sets in British Empire. Same in the case of America, that they were the colony of Britishers, and Americans produce and Britishers ship their production. So the whole profit is of Britishers and the laborers are Americans. Then the Americans realize the thing and focus on self-trading. And then in late 19th century, that area of 13 colony becomes an economic power on the philosophy of capitalism and industrialism, and evolves its own economy in such a way so that even at the time, the nations like Germany, France, UK, which was very powerful, they were taking loans from the United States of America. Economic power in 19th century, it steps toward military production. And by research, innovation and investment in weapons, US becomes a military power. And after becoming military power in 20th century, the two military power, USA and USSR, is in existence. Then they started Cold War. In the era of Cold War, we see that both power was against each other and promoting their own philosophy, which was capitalism by USA and socialism by USSR. The whole Cold War is simply the fight of ideology, and we all know that in this fight, capitalism wins and the USSR collapses in 15 countries. And in 21st century, when USSR collapsed in 1991, the only one and the only superpower is in existence, that is USA. This is how USA dominated the world and becomes one and only superpower.